Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 23 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And our prompts for today is an empty bench or chair. I've got this bench. Bold graphic pattern, I've got that. Instructions, I've got some instructions from something and I was using it to stamp off and such, so I thought that made it interesting. I'm skipping the piece of stationery with a unique design. I really don't have anything that will fit with this collage. A tree or plant in winter, I've got these. And the bonus is a label or tag from food packaging, and I've got this Hershey's wrapper. So I hope everybody's doing great, and without further ado, let's get started. Well, I'm doing good. It has been very, very warm. We're supposed to get some chances of storms this weekend, but it's been very humid. I'm not sure how I'm going to lay this out. But we'll figure out something, won't we? Now, I've got my tree. And my bench, I thought about putting it at the tree or close to it. Now, to bring this all together, I've got the tree, the plant, and the duck all came from my Merrily, let's see, here it is. Merrimy's Small Art. It is the only one I have is the winter one. So since it called for a winter plant or tree, and it's becoming winter to our friends on the other side of the world, I'm going to use this. So we have got her and got our little duck, and we've got a plant that we can, I want to make sure we can still see, so I'm going to scoot that up. Okay, let me get this other stuff down and that'll help a lot. All right, let me get my glue book. My husband and I have been watching Blacklist, and it is so good. We're already in season 3. It's got James Spader, and I like him. He's a good actor. But it has kept us on the edge of the seat. All I do is think about it when we're not watching it, trying to figure out what's going on. I love those kind of shows. All right, I'm gonna put this up as high as I can. I've got a little bit of the instructions there. Show it. I had a request to use the Mirror Me art books and do all of my collaging through that. I've only got the one book, but of course this one I couldn't do the whole thing. I've been wanting to get more books, so that'll give me a good excuse to do that. So I'll put that up there. But she wants to know how to use them. She's got lots of books and wants to know how to use them in the collage. I think I'm going to scoot that one over so she won't cover up quite so much of it. afraid of that. That's the only thing about using a glue stick. So she's going to be, so we'll put that there. And I'm not even sure where the leaf went. Probably right there or somewhere around there. And I think with my wrapper, I'm hoping a wrapper and a label is pretty much the same thing. Because I'm going to use that to ground them. Now I can put her down. I'm not reading much. I finished the Anne of Green Gables series, and I've started a couple of books, but none of them have just really grabbed me. Well, really one. It's just a cute little cozy murder mystery, and I may have to give it another shot. I think I'm just gonna add that right there. There we go. I get in a slump sometimes with my reading. That's why I end up rereading books I know that I love. But you don't find those other books that you'll fall in love with. I don't know, I'm just having a hard time finding something. I just want to go around this to make it pop. Sometimes I think that helps. Since she's in the forefront, it just gives it a focal point. There we go. I love the Marry Me Smile art. My son's got me this one for Christmas, but now I need something for warmer weather. So I haven't been using them as much because we've been having pretty weather. I need a spring and summer. I want the flower one too. That's cute. And I'm going to do the little duck. Since he's in the forefront. Or in the front. Y'all know what I mean. Okay, so we have we have an empty bench. We've got a bold graphic pattern. We've got instructions. I skipped a piece of stationery with a unique design. I've got my tree or plant in winter, and I've got both of those. And I've got my label or tag from food package. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I do want to put some splatters on it though. I have the silver. I don't know how well it'll show up. I don't think I've ever used it. But we can find out. Give it that snowy feel. Let's see. If not, I'll go back to my standby of gold. Yeah. It's not bad. Covered up her face and then turned around and stamped it, splattered over it. So now I'm going to call it done. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. And ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. Take care. I love you. And until next time. Oh, I'm sorry. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel. Be sure and check out the hashtag 2025CWP23 to see what everyone else has made. So, bye, y'all.